We are the student pharmacists of the APHA ASP chapter of the University of Tennessee, and this is our why.
And her little face.
That's cool.
That cough is so annoying. I keep telling you, you need to get it taken care of ever since you started that new medication.
I know. You think it's annoying. I think you're annoying. I tried calling Dr. Pepper, but he can't see
Okay,
until next week.
I keep saying you need to go see Dr. Crawley at the pharmacy. You were there 2 days ago getting your tetanus shot. I don't know why you didn't just talk to him about it then.
No, it wasn't on my mind. I wasn't thinking about it.
Of course
I'll
not.
see if Dr. Pepper's open,
Yeah.
but he's not open. So I wish there was something else I could do, you know?
We need the help of a pharmacist. Let's try this. As a healthcare provider, your pharmacist is there.
Whoa!
Ugh.
Hey!
This keeps happening.
Oh, man.
So what can I help you guys with?
Well,
Well, you know, ever since I had this new blood pressure medication, I've had this terrible cough I can't get rid of.
Oh yeah, this is definitely something that we can help with. This is actually a common side effect of this medication. I can call the doctor and have it fixed as soon as possible and let you guys know. This is something we're trained to do as pharmacists, so anytime you guys have any kind of symptom like this, just give us a call and we'll get it fixed as soon as possible, like I said. So what other symptoms are you guys having?
None right now.
Okay. Alright, then I'm going to be out.
All right, thank you very much. Oh, man, how helpful.
he was so nice. I told you we needed the help of a pharmacist.
Yeah.
If only getting that to-do list done was that easy.